Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I picked up this cabinet for $10 on Facebook Marketplace. I am getting it ready for clean and sanding. I removed the hardware, and this is the primer. I am also going to be using white for this cabinet. This is the hardware. I'm going to be spraying it gold. This is what they look like. I'm measuring the top for the contact paper, and this did take 2 coats of white. I attached the hardware. Looks so beautiful. So the contact paper is on and attached on the top of the cabinet as well as the inside of the way it came out. I ended up keeping this piece. It just came out so nice and I couldn't get rid of it. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.